Welcome to this lesson on conditional statements in Swift. Conditional statements are key to decision making in your code. They let you execute specific blocks of code based on conditions, making your programs dynamic and powerful. Let's dive in. Conditional statements are used to perform different actions based on whether a condition evaluates to true or false. Swift provides several conditional statements, each suited for different scenarios. First, the if statement. The if statement checks a condition. If the condition evaluates to true, the associated block of code runs. For example, let is sunny equals true. If is sunny, print it's a beautiful day. In this example, the message prints only if sunny is true. If else statement. The if else statement provides an alternative block of code when the condition is false. For example, let temperature equals 15. If temperature greater than 20, print it's warm outside, else print it's chilly. Here Swift evaluates the temperature. If it's greater than 20, it prints one message, otherwise it prints another. The else if statement. The else if statement handles multiple conditions by chaining them together. For example, let score equals 85. If score greater than 90, print excellent. Else, if score greater than 75, print good job. Else, print keep trying. Swift evaluates each condition in order. Once it finds a true condition, it executes the corresponding block and skips the rest. This switch statement. This switch statement is ideal for handling multiple specific cases in a clean and readable way. For example, let grade equals B. Switch grade. Case A, print excellent. Case B, print great job. Case C, print good effort. And default, print keep improving. The switch statement compares the value against each case. If no match is found, the default block runs. Key feature of the switch in Swift. No implicit fall through. Cases don't fall into the next case unless you explicitly use the fall through keyword. Handles complex conditions like ranges. For example, let score equals 85. Switch score, case 90 to 100, print excellent. Case 80 and greater than less than 90, print great. Default, print keep going. Ternary conditional operator. The ternary conditional operator is a shorthand for simple if-else statements. For example, let is logged in equals true. Let greeting equals is logged in question mark. Welcome back semicolon please log in. Print greeting. Here greeting is assigned based on whether is logged in is true or false. This operator is concise but should be used only for simple decisions. Here are some of the best practices for writing conditional statements in Swift. First, keep conditions simple and readable. Second, use the switch statement for fixed, multiple case scenarios. Third, avoid deep nesting of if statements. Refactor your code if it gets too complex. Last, take advantage of Swift's range and pattern matching capabilities in Switch. Conditional statements empower your Swift programs to make decisions. From if to switch, knowing when and how to use each one of them will make your code cleaner and more efficient. If this